Hello, I'm Asaf from the Department of Physics at Bilkent University. Here I am in freshman physics labs of our university today to conduct my project experiment for our Physics 102 course, which is about concept of equivalent resistance in electrical circuits with more than one resistors. So let me first introduce you to setup of my experiment and my equipment. This is a power supply which I use for the potential difference in my circuit. I have three different resistors here. One with a 1000 ohm resistance, one with 100 ohms, one with a 150 ohms. These are all connected in series currently, and here I have a multimeter which I'm currently using as an ampermeter. It's measuring in milliamperes currently, and what I do is I get the current value, and since I know the voltage value, I can calculate the equivalent resistance of my circuit. And note that this multimeter is connected in series to the whole resistor system, and that way I calculate the equivalent resistance experimentally. After that, I go through some calculations and calculate the theoretical value of my equivalent resistance. Then I change my setup a bit. I play with the system of resistors. I have some extra cables here, which I use when I want to connect some of them or all of them in parallel. And I repeat this process 5 times. I get my experimental values, I get my theoretical values, and then I compare. Here you can see the circuit diagrams of the circuits that I built. I used a DC power supply with a voltage of approximately 20 volts each time. And as you can see, I've connected the 3 resistors that I've previously showed you in all the different ways possible. Here you can see the table showing the experimental results I obtained from the circuits I have just shown you with their corresponding theoretical values. As in any physics or physical experiment, there were some errors faced. These errors appear to be random, and they are further analyzed in my report. And the overall conclusion is, although the measurements involve errors caused by the limitations of the system and also probably random errors, the physical laws regulating the concept of equivalent resistance in electrical circuits with more than one resistors are confirmed.